Just opening a package.
This looks bottle-shaped.
Hi, Ryan. I saw this and thought it could help you spread a little mayhem. Enjoy. Justin from Michigan. Thanks, Justin from Michigan. It's a sound grenade.
Yeah.
Holy crap! Yeah!
No!
Yeah! Sorry, editors!
Sorry, support room. Hey, Achievement Hunter, a friend recommended Heroes and Halfwits to me because I was upset that my D&D group was on hiatus. Or sabbatical, if you will. I instantly loved it. I binged all of what was out and couldn't wait for Season 2. Several days and a lot of mini-golf later, I was a first member. I hope y'all like these cars I built and painted them myself. I'm particularly proud of the license plates. Stay weird, Stephanie, or at Steph is Insanity on Twitter. P.S. I was super sad when I finished Heroes and Halfwits and Griffin wasn't in all your content because she's super rad. Well, oh my god.
Figured out how to use it.
I don't want it.
This isn't a button. You just literally, this is why I was confused.
You gotta pull the pin.
Yeah.
Oh, my tinnitus.
Wait.
Don't.
Do it.
I'm holding it in my hand.
Oh, okay. Ah, it's not bad.
So here's the Remy Tim one. It's got the Remy Tim license plate. It's a monster truck and it's the right color.
I feel like we should have swapped sizes. What has he got? Oh, it's not gonna protect my ears from that.
I held my hand.
Well, anyways, thanks for all the gifts.
Hold on,
Ow.
Should we just go lob this into the streaming room?
Yeah,
All right.
actually. Come with us. This is Ryan Haywood, and welcome to Jackass.
Dude, you systematically got lower and lower.
Okay.
Look, once you fell off, I'm pulling it back up.
All right, Michael, forget that.
What do you
that.
forget it?
Okay, look at this. Look at this.
What up?
Remember that little smoke grenade thing we did one time?
Oh, where's your cowl?
No, this one's a little different.
Okay, go for it.
Yeah,
Let go of it.
I don't. All right, fine.
This one's called a sound grenade.
It's really not that annoying.
They just went dead silent. You might have killed them.
Did we break it?
I mean, I feel like whoever threw it in here assumed it was going to be broken.
I think I threw it behind.
I can't wait till you open the door and Gav's in there like...
No, they're not. They're going. It's not really not that annoying.
Is that working? Is that working?
That's not that bad.
Probably holding it as well.
What,
Is it in the water?
You put it in
To
the
be
water.
immune, yeah.
I mean, get pouring water on it. Go get one of the mallets.
It's made it quieter.
It did. I'll be right back.
Here, we'll just plug it in.
Oh, we were gonna smash
Do
it.
you want to smash it?
I mean, I don't care. It's definitely louder.
It's very loud. There. It's a sound grenade.
We figured that as they came in.
What
like
with all the
grenades.
sound and whatnot.
Yeah.
AHWU.
Play pals.
All right, Michael.
Future proof. After this video, I'm gonna put a mallet in here.
Yeah. Okay, so stand exactly where I am.
Okay.
Yep.